So that here this proves that SN2 reaction backside attack occurs, otherwise the loss of optical activity we cannot be justified. That B equation, that labeled iodine atom equations with 2 iodoactane. So here due to the formation of the negative isomer and positive isomers, that is racemization takes place, which leads to the loss of activity. So the factors affecting SN2 reaction. Here the factors that influence the SN2 reaction, given what is that? First one, it is nature and size of alkyl group in alkyl halides, that is steric effect. Here what it is happening, the factors are how the factors are affecting for the SN2 reaction. First one, nature and size of the alkyl group in alkyl halides, that is steric effect. Here the rate of SN2 reaction decreases. You see the graph slide, students, that the rate of SN2 reaction decreases as the size of alkyl group increases. Okay, so these the methyl halides shows the fastest rate, followed by that primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides. Okay, the tertiary alkyl halides do not undergo SN2 reaction. So the order of reactivity of alkyl halide in SN2 reaction, that is that is methyl CH3X, primary methyl, that is alkyl halide, then secondary alkyl halide, then tertiary. So first one, it is the methyl iodide. After that, primary methyl iodide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide, neopentyl halides. So these are the order of reactivity of the fastest rate. Okay, first, then next the so. As the size of alkyl group, here you see the some average relative rate of SN2 reaction. Some alkyl halides I have given that relative rate. Methyl halide 30, ethyl iodide, ethyl halide, it is 0.03. Next it is methyl CH3I, that is 30, CH3CH2X, it is 1. Okay, students. Next, CH3 thrice C X, it is minus 0. So here 0.03, it is CH3 twice CHX, students. Okay, so next, as the size of alkyl group it is increases, the transition state of what it is happening, the size of alkyl groups it is increases. Size means that is CH3 group, alkyl group, it is increasing. The transition state becomes increasing with the grounded atom. Okay, the spatial grounding, it is known as steric hindrance. So the energy of crowded transition state is higher than that of the less crowded transition state. Thus the rate of reaction decreases. We move in the series that methyl, primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, so the average, these are the some uh, the methyl halide, it is 30, rate of CH3 CH2X, it is 1, students. CH3 twice CHX, it is 0.03. Okay, CH3 thrice CX, it is the 0. Okay, the order of reactive, that is the rate of reaction decreases in series. Methyl iodide, primary iodide, methyl iodide, it is the 30. Primary iodide, that is CH3 CH2 X, it is the 1. That is next secondary iodide CH3 twice CHX, that is 0.03. Next tertiary iodide CH3 thrice CX, it is minus 0. So next, the strength of the nucleophile, it is nucleophilicity or strength of the nucleophile. Since that transition state in an SN2 reaction is formed by the attack of the nucleophilic reagent on alkyl halide. So the stronger the nucleophilic reagent, more rapid would be SN2 reaction, it will be a rapid. Alkyl halide, it is stronger the that nucleophilic attack of the nucleophilic reagent on alkyl halide, it is stronger the nucleophilic reagent, that SN2 reaction would be rapid. Okay, so the nucleophilicity of the nucleophile, it will say plays an important role in determining the rate of an SN2 reaction. So role of nucleophile, that is nucleophilicity of the reagent, it may be defined its ability to donate a pair of electrons to the carbon atom. Okay, and the rate determining step, and the greater the nucleophilicity of your nucleophile, the more rapid should be there its SN2 reaction. Okay, students, here the role of nucleophile, it is mainly for rate determining of the rate of the SN2 reaction, and donate a pair of electrons to the carbon. Next, that is known as nucleophilicity. That is donate a pair of electron to the carbon. Next, the nucleophilicity of a nucleophile, it is greater, the rapid reaction SN2 reaction, it will be a more rapid. Next, the nucleophilicity, here the nucleophiles belonging to the same family. That nucleophilicity increases with the increase in the size of the atom bearing, that is lone pair of electrons, it is increases. So therefore the nucleophilicity of the order, that halide ions, decreasing. Okay, halide ions, that is decreasing order is iodo, bromo, chloro, fluoro. Okay, first it is iodo, next fluoro, that is decreasing the order of reactivity. So with this we can three reasons are there for that decreasing the order of reactive halide ions. First one, it is the electrons in the larger atoms are less tightly bound by the nucleus, and therefore more rapidly available to the carbon atom undergoing SN2 displacement. That is, in other way we can tell, because of their size, bigger size, the atoms become more polarizable and hence better nucleophile. Okay, so first one reason, the because of their bigger size, the atoms become more polarizable, hence better nucleophile. Okay, next, the nucleophiles are solvated by the solvent molecules, and before attacking a carbon atom, a nucleophile must break away some of the solvent molecules bonded to it. Here, what it is that the small, it is well known that the small ions or molecules are highly solvated and have higher solvation energies. Okay, then those larger ones. Smaller ones, it is highly solvated and have higher solvation energies than larger ones. So later it are a good nucleophiles. Okay, so it is one of the reason. Next, another one, it is also proven that the uh, steric factors in that attacking nucleophile it plays an important role, and sometimes assume significant importance in SN2 reaction. That is, the relative nucleophilicities of important nucleophiles in SN2 reaction, that is methyl bromide, that following sequence, that is nitrile, iodo, that is iodine, that is ethyl oxide, that next chloro, next triethylamide, next acetate ion, water, and fluorine. These are the relative nucleophilicity of the some important nucleophiles in SN2, that order of reactions of methyl bromide. Next, nature of halogen atom. Nature of halogen atoms in alkyl halides. Here in SN2 reaction, alkyl halides, the halogen atoms leaves the transition state ultimately in the form of a halide ions with a negative charge. So the more easily the halide ions, halogens leaves, the more is the rate of reaction. Nature of leaving group is very little effect on the mechanism.